Easy weight loss lunch ideas that don't taste like diet food. Stop waiting in line for an overpriced salad that sneaks in double your daily calorie needs. Start lunching smarter with these weight loss lunches that are anything but lame diet food. Sad but true, a surprising number of restaurant salads pack in more calories than a Big Mac. Still, you don't need to starve all day or resort to calling a protein bar lunch. Take a few minutes, and a lot of inspiration from some creative food bloggers, and whip up a quick and easy weight loss lunch at home. Each of these DIY lunches is a cinch to pack and enjoy at the office. Just don't eat your weight loss lunch at your desk, please, and we'll help you save some cash and calories at the same time. Weight loss lunch tips. Here's what to look for in a satisfying yet macro-smart weight loss lunch. 400 to 500 calories. 15 to 20 grams of fat. 20 to 30 grams of protein. 50 to 60 grams of carbohydrates. 8+ grams of fiber, quite possibly the most important ingredient in your diet. Hummus and roasted veggie pizza. Recipe courtesy of the Fitnessista, serves 1. Ingredients: 1 soft tortilla shell. Handful of your favorite veggies, dry spinach, tomatoes, and zucchini. Hummus, give our hemp seed hummus a whirl for a fiber boost. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 garlic clove, minced salt and pepper, to taste. Crumbled goat cheese. Directions. 1. Roast veggies for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. 2. Top your favorite type of tortilla with hummus, store-bought or homemade, add the roasted veggies and some goat cheese, then bake for 10 minutes. 3. Slice and enjoy. 5-minute turkey, avocado, and hummus wrap. Recipe courtesy of Iowa Girl Eats, serves 1. Ingredients: 1 whole wheat tortilla. 2 to 3 tablespoons red pepper hummus. 3 slices low-sodium deli turkey. 1/4 avocado, sliced. Pickle slices. Directions. 1. Spread tortilla with hummus, then layer on turkey, avocado, and pickle slices. 2. Roll, then slice. Pasta and peas. Recipe courtesy of Runs for Cookies, serves 1. Ingredients: 2 ounces whole wheat rotini or penne. 2 teaspoons olive oil. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. ½ cup frozen peas. 1 tablespoon Parmesan cheese. Directions. 1. Cook pasta according to package directions. 2. While pasta is cooking, heat oil over medium heat. 3. Add garlic to oil and cook until garlic is translucent, being careful not to burn it, lower the heat if needed. 4. Add the peas and cook until heated through. 5. Drain the pasta when it's done cooking, then add it to the peas and garlic. Toss to coat and serve. Mexican cauliflower rice bowl. Recipe courtesy of Sprint to the Table, serves 1. Ingredients: 1 small head cauliflower. Half red pepper. ½ cup black beans. ½ cup pineapple, cubed. 1/4 cup red onion. Half avocado, cubed. 1 carrot, diced. Cilantro. Salsa. Cumin, cinnamon, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper to taste. Directions. 1. Cut cauliflower and red pepper into pieces and place in a food processor or blender. Pulse the pieces until they are the size and consistency of rice. 2. Transfer rice to a medium bowl. Add a splash of water and microwave for 3 minutes to steam. BTW, this cauliflower fried rice bowl will make you forget all about takeout. 3. Top with remaining weight loss lunch ingredients and sprinkle with cumin, cinnamon, red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. Sweet tuna salad. Recipe courtesy of Sweet Tooth Sweet Life, serves 1. Ingredients: 1 can tuna in water, drained. 3 to 4 tablespoons sweet relish. 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon honey mustard. Salt and pepper. Optional mix-ins: onions, baby carrots, cucumbers, celery, corn, dried cranberries, or chopped grapes. Directions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a bowl, mix together desired ingredients. 2. Enjoy on top of a bed of lettuce, in a sandwich or pita, or scooped up with your favorite whole grain crackers. Burrito salad. Recipe courtesy of the Lean Green Bin, serves 1. Ingredients: 1½ cups lettuce. ½ cup brown rice, cooked. 1/3 cup black beans, cooked. 1 cup vegetables: try tomatoes, red peppers, onions, or roasted sweet potatoes. 2 tablespoons avocado or guacamole. 2 tablespoons salsa. Sprinkle of cheese. Directions: 1. Place lettuce in large bowl, or, if taking to go, a meal prep container. 2. Add the rice and beans. 3. Top with your choice of vegetables, plus salsa and cheese, if desired. 4. Eat cold or microwave for 20 seconds and serve. Southwest chicken quinoa. Recipe courtesy of Food and Fun on the Run, serves 4. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil. Half green pepper, chopped. Half onion, chopped. 1 pound boneless chicken breasts, cooked and diced. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 1/8 teaspoon salt. 3 cups quinoa, cooked. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. ½ cup cilantro. Salsa and or sriracha sauce. Directions: 1. Sauté vegetables in olive oil until tender. 2. Add the spices and chicken to the vegetable mixture and cook for 2 minutes. 3. Combine quinoa and the vegetable mixture, then stir in Greek yogurt. 4. Stir in cilantro on top with salsa and or sriracha sauce. Turkey chili taco soup. Recipe courtesy of Skinny Taste, serves 9. Ingredients: 1 1/3 pounds 99% lean ground turkey. Score an extra package for these high-protein ground turkey dinners. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 bell pepper, chopped. 1 10-ounce can Rotel tomatoes and green chilies. 15 ounces canned or frozen corn, thawed and drained. 1 15-ounce can kidney beans, drained. 1 8-ounce can tomato sauce. 16 ounces low-fat refried beans. 1 packet reduced sodium taco seasoning. 2½ cups fat-free low-sodium chicken broth. Optional: tortilla chips, plain Greek yogurt, jalapeno, cheese, scallions, onions, fresh cilantro. Directions: 1. In a large pot, brown turkey on medium heat, breaking up with a wooden spoon as it cooks. When cooked through, add onions and pepper and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. 2. Add tomatoes, corn, kidney beans, tomato sauce, refried beans, taco seasoning, and chicken broth. Bring to a boil and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. If desired, serve with a few tortilla chips and your favorite toppings such as plain Greek yogurt, jalapenos, shredded cheese, chopped scallions, onions, or chopped fresh cilantro. Meal prep tip: freeze leftovers for individual portions for future meals.